Hey everyone, this is Brandon with Recast Software. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a custom builder action that will make it so that you can compare AD group membership between two users. So this is really helpful if you have a new member on a team and you want to compare their AD group membership to an existing member of a team. So what we'll do is we'll right click on a user within our config manager console users section, right click tools, RCT builder. We're going to call this action compare AD groups. We're going to create a custom input parameter right away so that we can specify the account that we're going to compare it to. So it's going to be a string. Click add. We're going to use a text box. We'll call this existing team member. If you want to add a default value, you can do that as well. And I'm also going to change the view to tabbed results. And then the action itself is going to be get account group membership. So we'll drag that action over. We'll connect it to the start node. For the SAM account name that's pulled in, we're going to change that to parameter mapping, start node, and then username. So this will be the user that you're right-clicking. The domain is going to be pulled in from the start node as well. Recurse can be default. We're actually going to change this name so that it's a little bit easier to differentiate. So right-clicked user, and then we're going to create another action. And instead of pulling in from the user that you're right-clicking on, we're going to use that custom input parameter. And the way that we do that is we select parameter mapping, the start node, and then this is going to be that existing team member. Then the domain is going to be pulled in from the start node as well. Recurse can be default. We'll click save. We'll go back to config manager console. We'll right-click tools, RCT runner, compare AD groups. And for my example, I right-clicked on test user 4, which is going to be a new user, and I'm going to compare them to an existing user, which is test user 3. So I'm going to specify that username, test user 3. Click next, run immediately, and we can see the results here. So the SAM account names for the groups. So it's a member of domain users and test user group, and then that existing account is a member of domain users, test user group, and finance. So in this situation, if I wanted to match their groups, I just add them to finance. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out. Take care.